Hey guys, Eric from Kelly's Concept here. Been getting questioned a lot on, me dumping the RV, the truck, the van we built. Got a little surprise for you guys. Subscribe and follow us, and show you to our next adventure. So growing up, I always wanted an RV. Thought it would be cool. Just never really could afford one. So the opportunity came in and started watching a lot of YouTube videos, people building their own vans. And I consider myself pretty handy, so I figure, what the heck, I might as well build a van. So we bought this 2019 Ford Transit 350, and it's a 15-passenger van. We ended up gutting it out. Just go ahead and started building our bed, a shower, a small kitchen, and added swivel chairs and rooftop AC. And we just found out that it was just too tight and too small for us. It was a 144 wheelbase, which was the shorter of the Transits, and we ended up selling it and made a substantial profit off of it. So then we moved over to a SUV pulling a 17-foot travel trailer. So this travel trailer had a queen-size bed and a bunkhouse where two twin-size bunks in there. And while it served its purpose and it was a lot more comfortable, we got stuck in a rainstorm for 3 days, and 3 days got really miserable. And on top of that, when you pull a trailer, it seems like it didn't matter what you were towing, you got 10 miles a gallon. So we went ahead and got rid of that setup and bought a 26 RB travel trailer. We used the Nissan Titan to pull that, and I was getting around, again, 10 miles a gallon. And that, while you're doing camping here close by, it's not that bad. But when you're going 13 or 20 hours away, that fuel cost gets really expensive really fast. So we ended up selling it because, number one, Kelly's starting school in 2 months. We're probably going to be traveling a lot less. And we actually just, after thinking about it, we enjoyed the van a lot more because the ease of moving it around. And if anything, we just throw a tow car on there, like a Mini Cooper or something like that's easy to pull. It was easy to park. And just the ease of everything. On top of that, I can actually park this at my house versus the trailer I could not. So here's the advantages and disadvantages. So through all the tradings and buying and selling of RVs the last 3 years, we have now journeying to our next adventure. This is a 2014 Ram ProMaster 3500 with a high roof and 159-inch wheelbase. First things in order is go ahead and clean it out. Just picked this up on the auction last week. A little dirty, and but yeah, it's blank canvas for us. I'm trying to do a full bathroom, including a toilet and a full kitchen and 2 beds. We'll see how we can fit it all in here. So just follow us and see what happens, progresses in the next few months.